Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We're inside the new house, show them around. It's not really much. It's freezing in here. You guys are in air conditioning, hopefully. Nothing on the tablet out here right now. It sounds like right here right now, it's like inside the house. So. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do today. We're probably just gonna go out and chop some wood, go in the woods. Probably go deer hunting too, and that's why I have this. It might not get anything, but still. It's a rifle. Not really, I mean, it's a Nerf rifle. But if we find one, we'll scare them off our land so our dad doesn't shoot them. Hey guys, this isn't really what you would call a rifle, but look down sights if you can. Just can. I mean, you can't really look down the sights, but maybe, I don't know. Yeah, you kind of can. Can you see that little guy's moving around? Yeah. Okay, we are going to go out in the woods today. Maybe, I don't know. Let's go. This is my knife. No, not really. Just let's go. We're heading down to the woods. That was hilarious. You might think, hey, I'm going to go to the woods. You might think, oh, it's probably a pass. No, we're going out in normal style. This time, I think it's crazy. I'm not crazy. For two, I'm just acting out to be cute and something. Keep going like this. I think this is really creepy because you can see the wagon over there. That's not really. You gotta live with it, don't you? I fucking do live with this thing. What do you need, Bucky? Yes, well, I heard there's non-breakfast. Have to slow down. You see that light tower go out? Sorry guys. Yeah, if you didn't see the picture, beautiful things, they're just crazy. Brilliant. My sister just made the noise and I got scared. And I saw Mrs. Freeze on and they're like, oh, cool, these things too. And that's what I almost tried to do before. Guys, you might think I'm crazy, but we don't like to go down that way because I think you can go whatever way you want. You can go that way, but I'm coming down. Look down that alley, guys. Look at that. You might think I'm crazy. How do you think I'm crazy, huh? I'm gonna cut down. You don't have to go that way. Just cut. You can go the other way. Choo-choo. Come on, guys. Yeah. Let's go. Don't even go there. See that, guys? Just a snap. Remember, nature's calling and saying, hey, you're stupid. Don't sit there and look. Get back. You know, to make it consistent. You want to grab that branch? What is it? Yeah, they used to party down here, guys. Sad, huh? Hey, drop that. Come over here. Look, I found some rock. Look at this. It's rotten. He's got some rocking. Breaking. I was on the ledge here. Look at it. Fell straight off and hit my bum. Right here. No, up here. This used to be a river. Actually, I see from here to here, it used to be a giant river. Right up. Down to right here. Watch. This one is good. Let's go to watch this. do you? Smash out. Yes, I know where I'm going. Alright, guys. Be careful, watch out. Oh, and you're thinking, why in the world did I just do this? Oh, because I'm going to see specific. This? Welcome to the area. Welcome. Right here. I love seeing. Yeah, look at that. Alright, I'm marching to the pool. We're not marching at all. We're just trying to come up here. Whoa, I wonder who's been making. Is that a fire? Is this part of a fire? Look at that. Do you think there's fire burn right there? Fire burn, guys. Who do you think made this? My brother, probably. Well, either way, he's making a little shed over here. This is what's on this? Nailed together that board. Nailed together. Time before he went off to the military. Went on with the spaceship. So he's back and he's moving. Oh, look at this. Here's the other kid. One. And that dude's gone. Of course, up here because he's got. No. Careful, you gotta be careful out here because of wolves and coyotes. I didn't step on the twig, guys. Did you hear that? I didn't step on a twig. There's a twig right here, but it's already broken anyway. There's definitely something out here. I'll give you that. So. This is kind of a little bit risky, isn't it? You're the worst Indian call I've ever heard of. Either way, it probably was a dog or something. Hey, look. Does that look like a house or something? Let's get out of here. Let's get out from down here. Guys, we're not chicken, but we just want some trash. Not like that because that's what I told you. We're gonna get this out of here. It's far night. So we're gonna head to our home spot, and there is some bears around here, so. Actually, no, I don't think it is. It's definitely very very. As you guys know, I'm not scared of that hunt. I'm scared for my life right now. Scared for my life because it's also falling dark. I'm under like a here. Little spike. Look at that. You can see right through there. Come on. You can go the first way. But I'm heading up here. Could you hold this up? It's pretty broken anyway. Hold that up for me. Put my arms under here. Now, guys, this is actually like this. Hey, is that wired up there? You guys can come get out of here. You say, hey, come back to the room. Why are we doing that? Watch off. Look at that. It seriously just came off of itself. How crazy is that? I don't have any idea. Let's just head back where we came from, guys. No, not really. Yeah, good idea. Hold it so I can get under, okay? Okay, guys, we just now made it out of the forest. By climbing over that fence, you think it's impossible. No, not really. No, it's not teamwork. It's not. What the? Oh. It's just, yeah, it's a lot of Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah. Bam. Good. As you guys know, it's a total fail. Yeah, we didn't catch anything, blah, blah. Hate us, just got out. The reason why we didn't catch anything, we had a good snap, and we were kind of afraid, so we decided to get the heck out of there before anything happened to us. Like a wolf came in and just killed one of us, because the other one would be running. No, not really. I would actually try to hit the thing off. I don't know. Boom. Though we have this giant stick that I can use to hunt with. We are going to go inside now. Alright. Bye, guys.